Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mrs. Jwo TV. In case you are watching this video for the first time or you just come across this beautiful face for the first time, please do not hesitate to subscribe, follow me, share my video. And if you dey watch for TikTok, abeg try and follow up. Now concerning my experience with Nigeria Embassy, now I carry come here today. How Nigeria Embassy almost ruined the opportunity of me getting Italian citizenship. It all started last year, August. So our passport expire, we can't apply for renew. You guys know that they have website, then you need to go there because you know just say you want to go to Nigeria Embassy to go give them money for hand, say you want apply for passport or you want renew your passport. No, you got to fill everything online, do the payment, then you take appointment there. So we went to the website. My daughter is very practical in terms of that. She helped me fill everything. We submit them. After we submit everything, they give us appointment. We do the payment and everything. Everything was so successful. Till the date when they give us, that was August 1st last year. So on our way getting to embassy there, they demanded for 30 euro again. I was like, why did they collect 30 euro again after you already do the payment online? Because Italian system, they don't work that way. For example, I remember those days that we were still renewing our documents. Once you buy Manca de Bolo, you go to poster. The money when you dey for inside that your document when you fill. Once you pay that money, the date when they go give you, you go to the questura. They don't go collect money again for your hand. They go just only ask you your former document, then they print you, they give you the date when the new document go come out. But why be say Nigerian something, they always the day different. So when we reached the embassy, they demanded we pay 30 euro again. I was like, what be the need where person cost they pay 30 euro again after you already pay the exactly amount online? They say na so, na the rules day. We say okay, no problem. We pay the money. They give us number. Trust me, if you come to Nigeria Embassy, even the way when they treat people, you go shed tears, you go regret of being a Nigerian citizen. Number one, they don't even regard us. Number two, no respect. The way they talk to people, the way they do their things, they are very disorganized. I was like, oh my God, which kind of thing be this one? If you enter inside the office, people full. Where they for the print, they never even answer people when they did their finish. They call other numbers. Now so people they park enter. See some Nigerians when they carry little children. You get about 3 women when they carry their small children, picking of 3 months, picking of 1 year. The way they do their things very disorganized. Okay, we stay there. After I reach our turn, now we enter. We be 4 in family. We print. Now we can't ask them. How many months it go take when the passport go take come out? They say from now till 1 month time. We were like, okay, no problem. They say they get 2 options there. If we want, may they send the passport for us. There is a certain amount you will pay. If you want, make you come carry on by yourself. Now you come sabi. As my husband they work, you know if they leave work all the time. Say they go home, one go they collect passport issue and all those things. Now my husband asks, how much? When they collect, when they send the passport, they come. They say na 25 euro each. You understand? 25 euro each just to post passport. My husband was like, now wow. When say the money say person they pick up for ground. Beside the door, one man just did there when put table for them. Now the man they collect money. Many people from different places, from Bologna, from Milano, Torino, Napoli, you know, many people. So now the man can collect 25 euro each. We pay 100 euro for 4 of us. The man say after 1 month they are going to send the passport to our address direct. We say okay, no problem. Now so we take the we pay the money. Now we can come out. August, throughout August, we don't hear anything. September, we don't hear anything. October, nothing. So this time around, we don't begin the panic. What did they happen? And we don't get into that process of getting Italian document. We don't already Italian citizenship. We don't already they proceed. But due to this delay of this passport, we got to call them from Abuja, because e get paper when they say we will go bring come police criminal report and original birth certificate from your country of origin. You understand? So we don't already dey proceed for all those papers, but due to delay of our passport, we got to call them in Nigeria to stop everything. And here also in Italy, we don't already start the procedure of getting Italian citizenship. And this time around, they need our passport. Now we say, okay, no problem. That October, now my husband come call. Wetin dey happen now? Our passport never reach our hand. Now they come begin dey ask us again. Wetin be our name? Moku send the pay slip and everything. My husband send that for them for WhatsApp. Then the November, second week of November, now poster come ring for my house. I rush go down. He give me parcel. He say I got to sign. I say okay, no problem. Now I sign am. When I sign and finish, he say I need to pay 50 euro. Now I come look am. I tear the parcel. Now passport. And this passport supposed to be 4. Now 3, now the passport come. I was like, no, this thing no complete. Make the poster man check very well again. Now the poster man say no, say that the parcel when they give one, I be this one. And I need to pay 50 euro. I say for what? I tell the man, say we don't already pay money. Now 100 euro now we pay for this thing. The man say, okay, no problem. The back of the parcel, the address and everything, say make you call the headquarters, make you tell them. Now you can call them. Later, after that kind of 10 minutes, then the man can say they are sorry, say I'm not supposed to pay money. Now I can call my husband, I can explain everything. I tell my husband, say, but now 3 passport, now he come instead of 4. My son, oh, he no dey. My husband was like, I'm waiting they go on. As he come back, my husband we try our possible best to call them. Before they go even respond, say, for more, you go do like this. You go call the number. Nobody they give the respond. Even when they go respond to you, they don't go talk to you well. Until December, the first week of December, now my husband can finally call, they can't answer. Now my husband can tell they say, please, oh, see the situation when we dey, oh, we before in number when come to embassy to come do passport, oh, wetin be our name? My husband tell they say the family of one boy zero, they check am. Now my husband tell they say our son, oh, he no dey. The next thing wetin the person talk, he said they no see my son file. Now my husband say, but why now? We're not supposed to keep everything together for one file as one family who come to apply for passport. Now so we begin to do, they do a guru. They go say my husband call next week. And every Thursday, they give passport. We go call them. Sometimes we go call. They don't go answer. That day go still pass. The other week again on Thursday, we go still try our best. It can't be something of try your luck. Sometimes we'll try the number, they go say, no, Rajujim Bile. My husband was like, but this number, if I take call them, I got to enter Google. I go search them, Nigeria Embassy in Rome, phone number. I can see some number, passport office, NIA office, this one office. I can call the passport on. Finally, now they can pick. As they pick, this time around, now Christmas don't they reach oh. They say, wetin dey there, say they go call headquarters for Abuja. Now my husband say, wetin concern Abuja, concern passport, when you apply for a pikin for here. Wetin dey happen? The person say, okay, make we call back January. They go soon go for holiday. January come reach, 2nd week of January, abi 3rd week of January. Now my husband can still call them again. The way when the person can't respond, oh more, not be small thing, no. That day, hey, I fear. The person say, I beg, say we don't need to dey call all the time, they disturb. Say wetin dey there, they no see my pikin file. If we go come to Roma, make we come Roma, make we come know wetin we go do about the passport. And this time around, oh my God, you know when you dey proceed for something, hoping for something, later disappointment come. These people, they almost kill my spirit. This Nigeria embassy. Pray for you not to have this kind of experience with them. And the way they treat we Nigerians in that Nigeria embassy, or more, you go fear. But if white person escort black person come there, they go respect that white person pass you when be origin of Nigeria. Yeah, now what did they do there? Because when we go there, the way when they attend to white people who they escort black come, or maybe if you be black person you marry to white, you come there to come apply for visa, or maybe you still get passport when you come, you come apply for passport or something like that. If you see the way they attend to that white person, quick under 20 minutes they don't attend to her. The white person go just come out, he go just greet everybody, ciao tutti arrivederci, the person go just go. But you will be black, you will be Nigerian, you go there sit down, they wait to now, so you go they run for sun. If you get pikin, your pikin go they disturb you there. But these people, they don't want to know. That's why we can't take call them. They can't talk. They say, what did they there? This time around was either February or March. They say, what did they there? Say, we just need to come to Rome. If we come there, maybe they can't know what happened. Why my son passport in no green come out. Pikin one at on print. When we don't pay money for, do everything. We pay the 30 euro. We pay the shipping money for RAM, 25 euro. We pay everything. Now they say, I no see the file. Now we say, okay, no problem. So now, so my husband want to come back. We want to go book a flight. Now we are about to go to Nigeria embassy. We could go know wetin happen, wetin make the passport they no see am. Family of 4, because that thing not to make sense to me. Because if you go to Italian office, say you want to go apply for something, like the day when my carta d'identità as it expire, because after 10 years. When I enter the office, the way when they attend to me, they give me chair, I sit down. I just only pay the tax. Small money, sign, finished, turn print. See the way they attend to me and my family that day. They tell me, say, after 10 days, I'm going to receive my carta d'identità for house here, the electronic one. 10 days don't reach. After 7 days, night poster just ring for my house. They tell me, say, make I share them. When I reach Domot, they give me, they tell me, say, make I sign. As I open and my carta d'identità. Immediately I call my husband. My husband say, so what you just go do for you which day? Where they even say, after 10 days, now he go take come. 7 days later, the thing come my house. I don't pay money for shipping. Only the tax. And if you even look at the tax, they write up for the back there. €5.50. But Nigeria only they different. The way when they treat people, especially we won't be blacks, later now we go say we both they discriminate. So my people, that's why I know see you. Now all the whole process, everything now, it don't stop until we'll go bring that my son passport now before they go continue the procedure of getting Italian citizenship. Can you just imagine? So I beg wanna stay tuned. If I still go there, because we they go there now, this month we'll just enter now, May. We already book our tickets finished now. We they go there. So if we go there, my experience there, anything when they talk, whether they give us or they go say we'll apply for another one they go, I go still carry come here. May I come let you know. Make una see wetin Nigeria embassy they do us for Obodo Ibo. Okay? And again, wetin I want talk, I beg. If you there for this Obodo Ibo, if you don't due to go ask for citizenship, no way to go get them. Go get them. No pray to they carry Nigerian passport all the time. Because Nigeria, they don't get respect. As you hold that passport, so no respect for you. But you see the ones when they hold that red P, respect there for them well. Now waiting me I see for that one. So my people, make una stay tuned there. I go still come here. May I can't tell una how we work. So I'm gonna share this video. Thank you.